How to add friends on Duolingo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Duolingo on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Duolingo account. Then click on the person-like icon at the bottom, which is the third option. Then, in here, click on Add Friends at the top. After you click on Add Friends, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find these options to add friends. If you want to choose from your contact, click on Choose from Contact. If you want to search by name, click on it. And then search by name. To add the person, simply click on the plus icon beside their name, which will add them as a friend. And this is how to add friends on Duolingo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.